So we are starting our day off. I've already done a few things this morning, actually, y'all. Okay, girl. But anyway, it's still pretty early in the morning. So I'm starting off by going to take a shower. I have my prep out per usual, and after taking a shower, we're gonna do our Saturday morning gym workout routine together, and I cannot wait. Okay, girl, let me get the shower in, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally ready. We are running out the door because of course I'm late as usual. The first class is going to be Zumba class. The second class is going to be weight training. So I'm really excited. All right, y'all, so we are on our way. Okay, y'all, so we are on our way. Oh my gosh, I literally haven't even left my street. This frustrates me so much, like when I'm in a hurry, running late, and it takes me forever to even leave my street. Anyways, you guys, so I will see y'all when I get there. Hopefully I'll be able to, like, you know, get it on camera, capture some of it, but I'll see you guys when I get there. Also, look, how cute, right? Little treat. I am obsessed and addicted to Boba. I parked it underneath my tree in front of my garage, and I hate parking it underneath my tree, the tree that's in front of my house, in front of my garage, because the birds have no mercy, y'all. Like, they have no mercy. Let me show y'all. But I still parked it underneath the tree because sometimes we get, and the tree is like, look at this. They are so rude. The birds are so effing rude. Like, they do not care. They have no mercy. They have no feelings. Like, nothing. No decorum. Nothing. Anyway, so we get hail every now and then. And I never know when, like, or even harsh weather, and so the tree helps protect the car, obviously, because, you know, it's branches and everything else. So that's why I park it underneath the tree instead of on the other side of my like parking driveway or whatever, because I live in a house, so I have like a ton of space, and I could park it on the other side, but the weather. I feel like the tree helps protect my car in case of the weather. I don't park it in the garage because I have 2 other cars parked in the garage already, and then I have 2 other cars parked outside on my driveway already. So I have like a ton of cars. I feel like it scares people because if someone comes over, they think there's a ton of people in my house or that live in my house, but it's just me. I just so happen to own a few cars. So the unfortunate side about that is I always have to give people the heads up, you know what I mean? But anyways, y'all, so let's go ahead and see if we can get the car washed. I like to have at least 3 or 4 options of anything and everything that I do, any place that I go to. So I still have 2 to 3 more car washes to find that I like to go to, but it's a good start finding one. They did such a good job. Like, all the bird grossness is gone, y'all. They're just gonna mess it up again. This is the tree I was telling y'all about. Yeah. Love that tree to death, but those birds are merciless. So we just got home. I'm gonna go back inside and decompress. But thank y'all for joining me today. Thank you for joining me through the gym, Boba, and all that fun stuff. Like, Saturdays are just the absolute best days, and I am so happy because the sun is shining today. Texas weather is insane. One day it's shining, the next day it's clouded and gloomy. So today, and usually Saturdays are pretty good days, but we have had 1 or 2 gloomy Saturdays in the past couple of weeks. So anywho, I'm gonna go decompress. I'm gonna watch Black Mirror, I think, because I've watched the first episode of the newest season and I love it. It's so good. I cannot wait. So I'm gonna go back inside and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.